Hi Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to change YouTube banner on iPhone and Android. This tutorial is very useful for you who wants to change your YouTube channel banner on iPhone or Android. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's start the tutorial. Fauhowers, there are two ways to change your YouTube banner on iPhone or Android. The first is by using YouTube app and the second is by using your browser. Okay, for the first I'm going to show you by using YouTube app. Just open your YouTube app. After opening YouTube app, make sure that you have logged in to your YouTube channel. And then you can just go to the top right corner and tap your profile picture. After tapping your profile picture, you can just tap your channel. You can see there are some options here: manage videos, a graphic icon, and also pencil icon. Just tap the pencil icon. Yeah, channel settings. You can see here you can change your channel name, your channel description, and also you can change your channel profile picture and also your banner image. To change your YouTube banner, you can just tap on the banner image by tapping the camera icon. You can just take a photo or choose from your photos. I'll choose from my photos. Choose the image you want to use. I will choose this. Your channel banner will look different across devices. The widest crop area will be used on desktop and TV. After setting up your banner image, you can just tap save. Yeah, like this. I have changed my YouTube banner. To check this, I'll go to my channel. I'll reload this. And this is my new YouTube banner. Okay, that is the first, by using YouTube app. For the second, I'm going to show you how to change YouTube banner image by using browser if you don't have any YouTube app. You can use any browser here. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, Opera, or Mozilla Firefox. Here I'm using iPhone, but don't worry, this tutorial works on iPhone and also Android. So here I'll use Safari. After opening Safari, you can just type studio.youtube.com. Okay, just tap go. Make sure that you open YouTube Studio page on browser. Don't open YouTube Studio on apps. After opening YouTube Studio page, you can see there are some menus on the left side. And then you can just choose customization. This channel customization. Okay, in this channel customization, there are some options: layout, branding, and also basic info. Just choose branding. Here you can change your profile picture and also your banner image. This image will appear across the top of your channel. For the best results on all devices, use an image that's at least 2048 times 1152 pixels and 6 MB or less. Okay, if you want to change your YouTube banner, just tap change. You can choose from photo library, take photo, or from your file manager. I will choose from my photo library. Which image I want to use? I want to use this image. Okay, choose like this and then tap done. And then after changing your YouTube banner, you can just go to the top right corner. You can just tap publish. Yeah, we have succeeded to change our YouTube banner image. We can check our channel here by tapping our profile picture on the top left corner. View channel on YouTube. Okay, you can see that our YouTube banner has been changed. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you and helping you in changing your YouTube banner on iPhone and Android. If you like this tutorial, just give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Fauhow channel and make sure that you have turned on notifications so that you will be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about digital tutorial. Thank you.